time would humble themselves and pray, seek my face and turn from our wicked ways. Lock down the country, Mr. Andrew Holness. Lock it down before you win. I saw the election and run it out on my program every day. I see the landslide. Sir, please, for God's sake, come off your pomp and pride. No disrespect to you, sir. I'm humble before God. Go before God. Lay down and prostrate and say, Lord, show in a late. If God tell me that it is, oh God, Mr. Andrew, if God said that, that's what he meant. I was the one that bring the message to the then Prime Minister, Mr. Bruce Golding, and tell him to call the nation on a fasting.
Have you vaccinated?
No, I'm not. The blood still I still trust God.
People are saying that the vaccines are unnatural. There is nothing unnatural. God created it through man. Taking the vaccine does not in any way reduce your faith in God. God is going to protect you. And the way in which you are protected is that He has created man with the intelligence to create a medicine that can cure. We need, as a nation, to humble ourselves before God and turn away. I agree with you. But I also said to you that what God has created, that we know as medicine, is not different from any other medicine. This has been around for hundreds of years, saving life. Let us be wise. Let us keep the knowledge that is there. Let us as a people, my dear, keep praying to God to save our nation. But let us also do what is necessary.